Okay, so we have this question, eh? The point 2 comma b is the point inside the circle of open bracket x minus 1 close bracket power 2 plus open bracket y minus 3 close bracket power 2 equal to 20. Find the largest possible value of b given that b is a member of n, which means natural numbers. So, first and foremost, solution, we have this equation of the circle, okay? Y minus 3 close bracket power 2 equal to what? 20. Yeah, so since 2 comma b being a point inside the circle, we have 2 comma b being inside, meaning this one is x component, this one is y component. What we are going to do is we are going to replace where there's x, we replace a 2, and where there's y, you replace a b. So we are going to have, since it is inside, so we are going to write where there's a x, you put 2 minus 1 cos power 2 plus open bracket. Here it is a b, y is a b minus 3 close bracket power 2 equal to 20. Now, so since you have this point is inside the circle, we are going to change the equal sign. You're going to put it must be less than, whatever we have this side must be less than what? 20, because it is inside. If it was outside, whatever we have this side must be greater than the radius. This is the radius here, radius squared. So he's saying this question, this point 2 comma b is inside. Just replace where there's x. This is the standard for the equation of the equation of the circle. So we just replace x to y, replace b, and since it is inside, you put less than what? 20. Now computing this one, you're going to have 2 minus 1 is a 1 squared plus open bracket b minus 3 squared less than what? 20. It is inside, so it must be less than the radius. Now working out this one, 1 squared, you have a 1 plus open bracket b minus 3 close bracket less than what? 20. Grouping items, the one will shift this side, will be b minus 3 squared less than, to be 20 minus 1, so to be 19 this side. Now having this one here, we introduce the square root to both sides. But remember, once we introduce the square root, it will be b minus 3, this one must be less than, square root to put plus or minus square root of 19. Meaning, you can present this as the smallest value is root of 19. So say this same as root of 19, less than you have a b minus 3 less than, now the positive one will be this side, square root of what? 19, because the square root of any number is a positive and negative. So the negative one will become this side, the positive one, that's that other side. Then b minus 3 on the middle. Now, to find the value of b here, we just simply add 3 both sides. We see negative 3 will go, so add 3 both sides. So you're going to have the negative 3 come this side to be 3 minus root of 19 less than b. Again, this side is less than, it will be 3 plus root of what? 19. Now, having this one here, as we can see, this 19 is right between the square root of 16 and the square root of what? 25. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. So this 19, square root of 19, it is 4 point something. It's supposed to be 4.3. So this means that this is the greatest value. So find the largest possible value of the given. Find the largest possible value of b given that b is a member of natural numbers, it means counting numbers. So we know that it will be 3 minus this 19 is approximately 4.3 less than b less than, this is 4.3 somewhere there. So 4.3 plus this one will be 7.3. Now, having these two values here, we're looking for the largest possible value. Which one are you considering? So this way you have 3 minus 4.3. This one we will subtract to give us negative automatically 1.3 less than b less than 7.3. Now having this, for the largest possible value, we're going to consider 7.3. This 7.3, since it's saying b is an integer, b is a natural number. So we are going to get the number which is closest less than 7.3. So therefore, the number which is closest less than 7.3, it is b is equal to 7 as the answer.